Hi, this is Samantha Hart with eXp Realty, and this is your Good to Know Minute. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about HOAs. That stands for Homeowners Association. An HOA is a fee that is paid monthly, sometimes quarterly, or sometimes even yearly, to an association within the subdivision that you live in. Now, it is mandatory if you live in a condominium or a townhome because you do not own the outside of the property. There are some subdivisions with housing where HOA is mandatory. You can avoid those subdivisions by simply not buying a house in that area. And that way you don't have to pay HOA dues if you don't care to. What are the benefits? Benefits are it's going to cover the exterior and the public grounds, the common grounds. Sometimes they have pools, tennis courts, playgrounds. There could be several amenities that go along with having an HOA. So if you don't want to pay one, I would highly recommend you work with a buyer agent to make sure that you look at areas that don't have HOAs. This is Samantha Hart with your Good to Know Minute. You have a great day and be blessed.